Hello Algebra 1 students, we are in Unit 4, Inequalities, Tier 1, Lesson 5, Solving More Complex with the Distributive Property. Let's check off our booklet. Here we are in Lesson 5 of Tier 1, Solving More Complex. So sometimes when we have to solve inequalities, we have to use our old trusty friend, the distributive property. So again, sometimes we just have to use the distributive property, and let me do a couple examples to remind you of what the distributive property is. So here, when we apply our distributive property, we have 3 times the quantity t plus 1 is greater than or equal to positive 6. We want to distribute this 3 to both terms inside the parentheses. So we get 3t plus 3 times 1, which is 3, is greater than or equal to 6. We really can't go any further than this because I haven't showed you guys how to divide yet by a positive integer. So I just want you to understand sometimes you have to do the distributive property like this. And again over here, how we do that is we take the negative 3 and distribute it in to both terms. So make sure you distribute the negative as well. So it would be 3 times t, which is negative 3t, and then 3 times this positive goes with that 1. So it would be 3 times positive 1, which would be negative 3 or minus 3 is greater than or equal to 6. And then we would solve this once we get a little bit more skills later in the tiers. Good luck on your practice sets.